So today we will see that how we will remove the background from the PPT PowerPoint presentation. Here I am using the PowerPoint version 2016. In this version, here at the shortcut key, I have add the insert image option. So you can just go to the insert, then insert the picture that you want. I have already downloaded in my PC, and just go for the picture that you would like to remove that background with. Here is the picture. Firstly, I would like to just delete these two text boxes. Here is the picture. So what we can do, that the image is here. At the image there is an option format is given. Go to the format or just remove the background option, select it. Here the purple one is the what which we will remove after right click on your given mouse, or you can just select or add the things, keep the mark the area to keep and remove the area to keep. And I would just like to show you that how it will look like. So the background has been removed now. Or we can just do again. I have copied the image and just paste it over here again. Then I will again double click the right button of my mouse. So here the option remove background is again open automatically. Go to the remove background. I want to add the area. So mark to area I want to keep. Just go and select the area, the direction in which I want. So here it is just selecting it by time. So you can do it as accordingly what you want. And thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel.